एंड वी बैक, आप देख रहे हो लेट्स टॉक। हमारा वैलेंटाइंस डे स्पेशल अभी भी जारी है और अमृता हमारे साथ हैं। एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी बीन डिस्कसिंग लव एंड how do you maintain a good cordial relationship with your ex-boyfriends? Because जब भी she's been in a relationship कभी नहीं कहा है कि वो तो मेरा good friend है, जैसे हाँ मेरा boyfriend है, आपका breakup हो गया, हाँ हो गया, and there's no like lying about it, no?
Yeah, there's no lying. What's the point of lying? It's going to catch up with you at some point.
But you have nice, like a decent relationship with most exes.
Most, you're making me sound like a...
Like 10 है, 10, 15 तो है नहीं, 2-3 चलो.
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
So your advice to people कि हमेशा के लिए इकट्ठी या अगर आप दोस्त रह सकते हो तो रहो.
Well, it depends on the way you've broken up or whatever. So
Ditch किया होगा तो फिर वो आपका दोस्त कभी नहीं रहेगा.
either or, I think it's just nice to handle things in a mature fashion.
Yeah.
You know? So it's no point. I mean, I've had friends also who have stopped talking 2 years back. Girlfriends, I'm talking. लेकिन जब आप देखते हो कि किस तरह से fight हुआ था और the reason really it's stupid.
बाद में तो हाँ बेवकूफी लगती है.
बचपना होता है कभी-कभी or you just the spur of the moment say things. But I think it's just to look at it in a more mature way and let bygones be bygones.
And families, your mom's quite supportive and all, no? Like
Yeah, my mom's like my best friend.
And Didi? Do you call her Didi?
I used to call her Didi till like the 12th standard, and suddenly it became uncool to call her Didi. Because in college, I has to be like, "Ha, Didi." She was like, "No, not Didi."
College में नहीं, किसी के सामने नहीं है रोल.
So then now I call her Malla, or sometimes when I'm in front of people, I say Malla Didi, or depends, just depends.
Okay. And your ammu to her.
Yeah. For I think the whole world.
Do you have any other घर का pet name?
No, thankfully I was just an ammu. Thankfully.
No Chinky,
not a Chinky, Minty,
Pinky, Mintu, Tikku.
No.
Pinko would be nice because इनकी सुंदर त्वचा का राज हम आपको अभी बताएंगे. It has to do with the vegetable.
That doesn't sound so nice.
Yeah. In case you're thinking कौन सी vegetable, खीरा, टमाटर नहीं. It is a beetroot. Yeah. And apparently, explain to them कैसे आता है ये.
Well, it is a try at home remedy first. So being Valentine's Day and you're in the pink of health and all red stuff around you, grab a beetroot, cut a small piece, put some moisturizer on your face and rub it across your cheeks. ज़्यादा नहीं क्योंकि कभी-कभी purple भी हो जाता है. So just otherwise then it'll look like someone has taken a sock. So just very हल्के हाथ से just rub it on your cheek and then just blend it in and it acts as a cheek stain.
Right.
So it's really nice, very fresh, and जब भी लोग आपको देखते हैं like wow, what beautiful skin, complete कश्मीर की कली look.
हाँ बिल्कुल मतलब I've always thought कि अभी मुंह धोकर आई हैं and it's just like freshly scrubbed her face and all that. Now I know beetroot. लेकिन किसी important date के पहले आप beetroot मत लगाना. पहले आप 2-3 बार practice कीजिएगा because I have visions of people going with purple cheeks and saying but अम्मू ने बताया था TV पे और इसीलिए मैंने किया.
I'll be getting hate mail.
Yeah, totally. अच्छा, I'm going to play a game with you. Since she's very witty, हमारा ये जो word association game है, I'll give you one word and then you come up with something funny to say. Huh? Girlfriend.
Okay, now you really caught me off guard. Girlfriend. Thank God I don't have one.
Okay. Boyfriend.
Uzi.
Uzi. Okay. Yeah. Cricket.
Hate it.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you have to cut this game right now? You don't like cricket?
I've been brought up in a house where I'm surrounded by cricket fanatics.
मतलब I'm cricket
चाहे
fanatic
मम्मी हो या अरबाज हो या uncles, aunties, I've been like brought up with cricket. So from childhood, जब भी हम लोग को एक program watch करने था, it was like after cricket. So that hatred is very deep rooted. So hate cricket.
So when you met Usman and you said, what do you do? And he said, मैं cricketer हूँ. Did you? नहीं.
But of course now I watch his matches. But
you
it's
do,
something, yeah, it's something that I have to really. It's love. Trust me, it's love.
वो बड़े-बड़े sunglasses के पीछे आप सोते नहीं जाते मैच के दौरान.
कभी-कभी. Suddenly like, oh, it's a 6. Suddenly I wake up. Oh, okay.
Okay, so cricket she doesn't like. Long distance relationships.
Killing sometimes.
Okay. Infatuation.
Still exists.
Saira Bano.
Am I her double? Something?
She was supposed to be in a film called Victoria 203. जी हाँ, वो पुरानी वाली जो film है उसका remake बन रहा है and she was supposed to be in it because makers को लगा सायरा बानो की बात है, थोड़ी झलक है. I think so.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people tell me.
That's a good compliment.
That's a good. I also think she's really pretty.
Okay. Family
comes first.
Sanjay Dutt.
Rockstar.
London.
Beautiful, complete holiday destination.
And बहुत दूर.
Yeah, but it's like for me right now it seems like I'm going to Lonavala.
Okay. अच्छा लंदन जा रहे हैं लोनावला.
लंदन जा रहे हैं कल 2-3 दिन में वापस आ जाएंगे.
Love.
Forever
And Valentine's Day?
should be celebrated every day of the year.
Okay.
Not only 14th Feb. You know वो मतलब जो लोग करते हैं Valentine's Day पे should always be there एक relationship में, चाहे आपके parents के साथ हो या sister और brother और आपके friends के साथ हो, that extra thing should always be there.
Yeah.
You know that effort होनी चाहिए हर एक relationship.
मतलब पूरा साल इंतजार करने के बाद एक ही दिन स्पेशल.
Yeah, you know, हर on a daily level something should be made special, or that extra effort, whether आप busy ho and make the time for your friends, so that extra something should always be there.
It keeps
not only 14th Feb.
Not only 14. So Valentine's Day every single day.
Yeah.
Of the year. Okay. Now because it's Valentine's Day and उस्मान यहाँ नहीं है, उन्होंने actually आपके लिए एक और present भेजा है और एक केक भी भेजा है which we'd like you to cut for us. This is the cake and it says Happy Valentine's Day, love Usman.
So sweet.
He'll die of embarrassment but
Should I start?
हाँ.
Are you singing a song for me?
अच्छा Valentine's Day का गाना Valentine's Day के दिन वो कह दे अनकही. I'm a very bad singer, I'm very sorry, but we can do Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Wow. I guess my first bite to
Okay.
everyone who loves me.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Thank you very much and now हम आपको एक गिफ्ट भी देते हैं.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you. A lovely necklace for me. Thanks a lot.
See, हमेशा diamonds नहीं दिए जाते Valentine's Day, but you can actually give something trendy and nice. Do you like it?
I love it.
Oh,
Thank
good.
you.
And one last thing.
Thanks, Usman.
Listen, thank you very much for spending Valentine's Day with us.
Thank you.
I hope आप लोगों को हमारा episode अच्छा लगा and I'm sure she likes her presence. So आपकी लिए हम ये सब कर रहे थे because I'm sure they would have been very angry अगर हमने आपको
And I'd like to tell everyone out there, very happy Valentine's Day and stay in love and be in love. It's beautiful.
And on that note,
A balloon burst.
we say thank you and bye and we will see you next week on Let's Talk. In the meanwhile, Zoom. इसको देखो.